pleasure of speaking with Patrick Gauthier of Amazon Pay. How are you?
I'm great. How are you doing?
I'm great. Thank you so much for being here.
My pleasure.
As we all know that Amazon Pay has been such a huge disruptor in the industry. So what are your thoughts when it comes to the next shift in commerce?
Well, first of all, I think the disruption we brought to the industry has been a disruption of mindset. In an industry that sometimes has a tendency to think of the solution first and the problem that it wants to solve second, we've kind of come about it with something different, which is a reflection of the Amazon culture. We always start from what's the customer problem we want to solve, which leads us sometimes to very counterintuitive conclusions. I'm a deep believer that one of the important change that occurred in the last decade is, whereas once upon a time commerce used to be about online and offline, today the right mental model is about connected versus not connected. And connected experiences where the consumer has a range of devices that enable services that are cloud driven, therefore very data rich, very personalization rich, that create much more delightful experiences.
Okay.
And that is a story that continues to unfold. The new chapter in the story, of course, being related to artificial intelligence, smart assistant, and voice.
Okay. Speaking of the new chapters, what do you specifically see for mobile opportunities?
Well, mobile, I wouldn't call it a new chapter, it's still a developing chapter. So what we definitely see from a mobile standpoint, opportunities range in the connection of mobile experience with other times and moment of the shopping experience. So I've been in this business for ever. and I'm more excited than ever because as you see the conjunction of all these capabilities, we can create ever more personal and delightful experience for consumers. And there's something deeply satisfying about that.
Right.
So this is like a once in a decade transformation. It's as material, maybe bigger than what happened with the introduction of smartphones 10 years ago. Because the beauty of Smart Assistant is the ability to do something in the moment. We're really going to liberate, with Smart Assistant, we're going to liberate consumer from the limits of device. I like to call it thinking outside of the mobile, basically.
Right.
And it's not that it replaces mobile, it complements it.
All right, well, it's definitely an exciting time to see what's going to happen in this space. So thank you so much for your
Very
insights.
much. Thank you for having me.